Hello, my name's Henry.
And my name's Pete.
And we're both second year chemists.
My name's Ben.
My name's Chris.
And we're both in chemistry at Swansea University.
Swansea University teaches chemistry a little bit differently to everyone else, so our modules are very different rather than having the normal structure.
It combines all aspects of chemistry into two distinct categories: structure and bonding and chemical reactions.
Coming to a visit day gives you the real impression of how friendly the university is and how much of a family the department feels.
There was a really nice vibe between the lecturers and with us.
Just from the start, there was so many more opportunities available to you, even as a first year. They just genuinely wanted to see you develop as people, not just as someone to do chemistry. My favourite memory so far is just after our exams finished, quite a few of us on the course decided to go to the beach to have a barbecue. And instead of doing the normal student thing of buying disposable ones, Chris thought it would be a really good idea to buy a proper big barbecue, which we then had to carry for about half a mile and then build on the beach.
It wasn't half a mile.
It was at least half a mile.
As a department, I think outside of lectures, we've had so many memorable experiences together as a group.
I did build it myself, to be fair.
Yeah,
and then I
did.
cooked everyone food, so...
That is true.
Yeah, but then I did have to order a taxi to get it home.
The lab facilities at Swansea are great. We spend 2 days a week in the labs working on the practical side of the subject, which really allows you to get a good grasp of what's going on theoretically.
There's nothing better than putting theory into practice with new shiny equipment.
The Chemistry Society at Swansea University is doing really well. We're a gold society now as part of the SU.
We organise social events, so we've organised a pub quiz, we've organised a night to go to Play Zone, which is kids' play park, but on Friday night it's open to adults.
I think the outreach opportunities within our society are amazing. Getting to help out current A-level students within the lab with some of their experiments that we were doing just a year ago is fantastic.
My advice to anyone thinking of applying to Swansea is come and have a look. It's the best advice you can give anyone, especially if they're looking at other places, but come and have a look. You get a really good feel for the place on an open day. We're at a point where we can offer the opportunity for you to try out experiments as well in our labs.
Besides looking at the course, just come down to look at the local area and the community you've got here, because alone the course is quite important, but come down and try and get a feel for the area, because that is a huge factor into what makes Swansea so enjoyable.
Yeah, it's such a versatile city, so if you want to stick with just urban areas, you know, you've got shops everywhere, you've got that, but if you also like the beachy side of Wales, because you want to take advantage of that, you're right next to it on Singleton campus and on Bay as well.
I don't think people quite realise how much there is to do in Swansea. You've got to come down and see it all for yourself.